Welcome back to Auto Rush Pro, where today we're diving into one of the most talked about upcoming luxury motorhomes of the year, the 2026 Honda Motorhome. Honda is known for its reliability, innovation, and attention to detail, and in 2026, they've taken a bold leap into the high-end motorhome segment. So, buckle up as we explore the full experience, from the exterior design to the interior luxury, performance, and pricing. The moment you lay eyes on the Honda Motorhome 2026, you realize this is no ordinary RV. Its aerodynamic silhouette, sculpted front fascia, and sleek LED matrix headlamps give it a futuristic vibe. Honda has designed it to look more like a luxury tourer than a boxy motorhome. The glossy aluminum alloy panels and smart glass windows with privacy tinting elevate its style. The electric retractable awning blends seamlessly into the body when closed, and the 22-inch chrome wheels add a confident stance on the road. It's not just about good looks. The outer shell is built with lightweight carbon composite materials that help with efficiency and durability. Add in the roof-mounted solar panels, side view cameras instead of mirrors, and a self-leveling hydraulic suspension system, and you're looking at a motorhome that feels way ahead of its time. Step inside, and it becomes immediately clear that Honda aimed to create a space that feels more like a luxury condo than an RV. The interior is decked out in sustainable vegan leather, ambient lighting, and high-quality hardwood flooring. The living area features a retractable 65-inch OLED TV, a plush L-shaped sofa, and a coffee table that doubles as a smart touchscreen. The panoramic windows flood the space with natural light during the day and can be dimmed automatically at night for privacy. Honda's AI assistant is integrated into the voice-activated control panel, allowing you to manage lighting, temperature, entertainment, and even window shading just by speaking. The kitchen is fully equipped with an induction cooktop, smart refrigerator, convection microwave, and even a built-in espresso machine. The countertops are finished in quartz, and soft-close drawers and cabinets come standard. In the rear, the bedroom is no less impressive. A queen-sized memory foam bed, ambient ceiling lighting that mimics the natural sunrise, and ample wardrobe space. There's even a sliding glass partition that separates the bedroom for added privacy. The bathroom comes with a rainfall shower, automatic dehumidifier, backlit vanity mirrors, and even a smart toilet with hygiene sensors under the hood. Honda has delivered an electric diesel hybrid powertrain that balances performance with sustainability. The motorhome can run silently on electric power for short city trips or switch to diesel for long-haul journeys. It boasts an impressive combined range of over 700 miles, and with fast charging capabilities, you can power up to 80% in under 40 minutes. The ride quality is smooth thanks to its adaptive air suspension, and the smart cruise system with lane centering and collision avoidance makes driving this beast surprisingly stress-free. Whether you're on a tight mountain road or a long interstate highway, the Honda Motorhome feels composed and responsive. It even features auto parking assistance, which is a blessing given its size. When it comes to pricing, Honda aims to remain competitive in the luxury segment. The base model starts at around $220,000, but with optional upgrades like satellite internet, custom finishes, and a tow package, the top-tier version can reach up to $270,000, considering what you're getting in terms of comfort, tech, and innovation. It's actually a great value compared to other high-end motorhomes in the market. So there you have it. The 2026 Honda Motorhome is a stunning blend of cutting-edge technology, eco-conscious design, and pure comfort. Whether you're hitting the road for a weekend getaway or planning a cross-country adventure, this RV is built to elevate every moment of your journey. If you enjoyed this detailed review, make sure to hit the like button, leave a comment about your favorite feature, and don't forget to subscribe to Auto Rush Pro. Share this video with other auto lovers, and we'll catch you in the next one.